Today, I'd like to show you how to make a basket out of ghost nets or ocean rope. My name is Angela and I'm crafting from the boat that I live on. We are currently travelling up the east coast of Australia. Whenever I go to the beach, I always try and pick up whatever plastic and rubbish I can find, and I often find ropes and ghost nets. Here's one that I found that I like the colour of, so I gave it a really good wash to remove all the sand and debris. When choosing your rope, make sure that it's not all powdery and disintegrating, because that can be really actually bad for your lungs. This rope's integrity was still very strong, and I simply cut off the excess bits, which I made sure to vacuum because I wouldn't want that re-entering the environment. I used a very simple technique where I separated all the strands and then I plaited them together, adding new ones as I needed them to keep the length going. I found some fishing line on the beach, which is what I used to connect it all together. So I made a little knot at the base and then I tied this off really tightly with the fishing line. And then using a needle, I started to make the basket. Starting with a coil, I made it much bigger. So you just follow it along, just stitching through the old one and into the new one. And then I decided to be a little bit creative, and this is what happened. I'm not sure I love it, but I just wanted to show you that there are many creative ways you can finish your basket. Happy crafting, everyone!